Hi guys, Alex Shuke here at All Seasons RV, and camping season is finally here. Campgrounds are starting to open up, so let me showcase this beautiful 2022 Wolfpack 365Pack16. That means this camper has a 16-foot garage, so it will fit all your toys, your side-by-sides, your four-wheelers, your dirt bikes, your motorcycles, your regular bicycles, your golf carts, your kayaks, your canoes, anything up to 2,500 pounds in this garage. This camper is 42 foot 3 inches long, and it weighs approximately 12,766 pounds. Now this one is a little bit special because it does already have a built-in generator. That's a 5,500 watt Yamaha generator that will run off your 30-gallon fuel station. So if you're at that motocross event that has no power, you can still have full hookup in here with all your electric, your ACs, your refrigerator, everything working without being plugged into a 50 amp service. Now let's check out the side of this camper. This camper does have a pass-through storage right up front, and it is accessible on either side, and you do have a part right up front that you do have access as well. It does have D-rings in there, so you can tie things down and secure them. This one does have dual entry, and it does have dual awnings. And what's nice about these awnings is they put the LED strip on the awning arm, so it'll actually illuminate with you instead of illuminating the back of the camper. Now this one is equipped with an outside kitchen, so it does come with a mini fridge, an ice maker, outlets, LED lights, and a little spice rack up top. And there's even an LP line below, so you can bring your grill, you can bring your Blackstone and hook up, and it will run off the 220-pound propane tanks that are up front. This one does have Goodyear Endurance tires as well, no off-brand tires, so you don't have to worry about having those massive blowouts. And then this one does have an outside patio. So let's go in your garage and check this out. Now that we're inside your garage, as you see right behind me, they do have a Happy Jack system in here. So this either has two couches right below, and if you wanted that bed mode, just flip these over, pull out your legs, and you do have a bed. You have another bed right up top that you can bring down, so you have two of the biggest bunk houses in here. This does have a ladder in here. That is for your outside patio, so let's go check that out. As you see, you have bug screens in here that you can zip up to help keep all the bugs out when you're trying to enjoy your outside patio. This does have that gate system right on the back, so you can keep all your kids and pets inside safely. Now right up top, as you see, this one already has the backup camera that does go onto an app on your phone, and you do have a docking light. So if you are loading and unloading at night, you can see. So as we travel back inside your garage, you see that this one has a half bath. Now I did break down the walls in here, so you do still have access to your full garage, and it does come with a little bathroom area with a porcelain toilet and a plumbed in sink. Let's go check out your living room. So in your living room, you do have quite a bit of space. On your slide right here, it does come with your residential 12-volt only fridge. So this is a lot bigger than those 10 or 11 cubic foot fridge. And then you do have a pantry. It does have lips on all the shelves, and then you do have drawers so you can store stuff away. And then right next to your pantry is your couch. Now these have two massage and heater theater seating recliners on either side, so you can relax on that long day. And then right behind there, you do have a booth dinette. So if you did want to do some eating, you can do so right here. You can even put bar stools or extra chairs right here as well. And then you have your kitchen area. So you have your microwave, your cabinetry, your 3-burner cast iron stove, and then an oven. And then right next to it is their black stainless steel farmhouse style kitchen sink with a nice debris spray nozzle. And then it does come with a hand sanitizing station. You can put regular soap, dish soap, or hell, make it a whiskey dispenser. So now this camper also has a loft, which is right behind us. So that loft is just extra sleeping, and or you can take that mattress out and you can use it as storage if you don't have that extra person sleeping over. And then up front is your bathroom and bedroom. So in your bathroom, you do have a full-size shower with a skylight. So so you do have more headroom even for your taller people. You do have a medicine cabinet. You actually have 2 medicine cabinets in here. You do have that plumbed-in sink, and you still have that porcelain toilet up front. So 1.5 baths is quite nicely. Now let's check out your bedroom. All right, now that we're in the bedroom, as you see, this your second 15,000 BTU AC unit is located in your bedroom, and you do have a giant king bed. So you don't have to worry about always telling that your significant other to scoot over or they're hogging all the blankets. This one should have plenty of room for both of you. Now you do have a wardrobe slide on this one too, so you have a lot more closet space, and then you do even have some cabinetry, some drawers, and then you do have outlets on either side of the bed, USB charging ports, you know, spots for laptops, tablets, phones, CPAP machines, you name it, it's got it. So that was just a quick overview for the 2022 Wolfpack 365Pack16. This camper has way more than what I even mentioned, so if you guys have any other further questions, feel free to contact us at 330-564-0222. Visit our website at ASRVS.com, and don't forget to like us on Facebook, and happy camping.